How to fix DoorDash face scan not working. Whether it's not recognizing your face, freezing, or showing an error, this can be a major hurdle when trying to log in or verify your identity. In this guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix DoorDash face scan issues step by step. Let's dive in. Start by cleaning your front camera. Dirt, smokes, or dust can prevent the camera from recognizing your face correctly. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the lens for a clear image. Face scans requires good lighting to work effectively. Make sure you are in a well-lit area with minimal shadows on your face. Avoid backlighting that can obscure your facial features. Ensure your face is centered and clearly visible in the camera frame. Hold your phone at eye level and avoid tilting it too much. Stay still while the scan is taking place to improve accuracy. Make sure your DoorDash app is up to date. Open the App Store, search for the app DoorDash. Once app appears, update it to its latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve face scan issues. First, close the DoorDash app and reopen it to refresh the system. This simple action can clear minor glitches that may be affecting the face scan feature. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Go to your device settings and check for any pending updates. Keeping your system updated ensures compatibility with the latest app features. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is completely uninstall this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, head over to the app DoorDash, press and hold on it, click on the option of Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. With that, the app will be deleted. Now I can launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app DoorDash and install it. And that's how you fix the DoorDash face scan not working. With these troubleshooting steps, you can get your face scan up and running again, making your DoorDash experience smoother. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.